Welcome to Redline Review. A blend of an ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle and the performance of a hypercar is what the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is supposed to be. Despite the fact that Bugatti has not yet made an official announcement about the matter, a number of speculative designs and partnerships have provided suggestions for what a Bugatti-branded recreational vehicle, RV, would represent. Design in the exterior. The Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is envisioned as a vehicle that is both sporty and aerodynamic, and it would most likely have the following features. Utilizing recognized Bugatti design features, such as the horseshoe grille and flowing lines, is what is meant by the term signature styling. Robust construction. Cutting-edge materials such as carbon fiber are utilized in order to achieve both strong construction and a reduction in weight. Aerodynamic efficiency. This system is designed to reduce drag, which in turn increases both performance and fuel efficiency. Arrangements in the interior. Possibly offering the following amenities, the interior would be the pinnacle of luxury. Luxurious living areas. These areas feature high-end components such as bespoke textiles, polished wood, and exquisite leather. The contemporary kitchen is outfitted with high-end appliances and features a generous amount of storage space. The creation of a warm and tranquil area for resting is the focus of the luxurious bedroom. Cutting-edge technology, which includes cutting-edge entertainment systems, climate control, and integration of smart home technology. Competencies and overall performance. In keeping with Bugatti's long-standing reputation for performance, the RV may be equipped with the following features. Powerful engine. In all likelihood, it will be a hybrid powertrain that generates incredible torque and horsepower. Advanced suspension, delivering a ride that is both comfortable and smooth over a variety of terrains. All-wheel drive makes the vehicle more stable and increases its traction. In order to achieve off-road capability, the vehicle is outfitted with advanced traction control systems and a high ground clearance. Price as well as availability. Due to the fact that this idea is speculative, pricing and availability are still unknown. However, due to the fact that Bugatti is a well-known brand, a recreational vehicle, RV, of such a high quality would most likely command a hefty price, maybe even exceeding several $1 million. In conclusion, the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome represents the pinnacle of performance and elegance for mobile life, despite the fact that it is still being considered as a concept. In the event that it were to become a reality, it would completely transform the recreational vehicle market by combining the exceptional engineering of Bugatti with unrivaled comfort and unique style.